Hi, this is my video on the TELESIN Magnetic base mount. Now on AliExpress, it's for £5. Now you have to bear in mind that you're going to have to pay a couple of pounds on top of that for shipping and taxes. Now when you get it, it comes in this box with the picture of the mount on top, and TELESIN states what it is, the magnetic mount base, TELESIN on the side, and also TELESIN on the back. Now this model is the MAG-005. Now they do another model of this base mount, which is rare to get because I've tried to get it, which is a slightly bigger mount than this. Now the diameter of this base mount is just over 2.5 inches in diameter. It can take a weight up to 300 grams. Its construction is mostly aluminium and nylon with fiberglass. Now on the bottom we have the earth magnets, and they are dotted right round with one in the center, and they sit in this silicone cushion base. This base is mainly suitable for action cameras and small cameras. And these magnets are very powerful, I have to say, for a small base, magnetic base such as this. Now because the magnets sit in this cushion base, it is suitable to go onto your vehicle. But before placing this on your vehicle, please ensure that the surface that you're placing it on your car is clean and dry. Now you don't have to be afraid when you do place it on there, because it will not scratch the surface. Obviously it has this, what I stated already, this silicone foam pad with the magnets in there. Now as for placing it on your vehicle, it's only if you do place this on your vehicle with an action camera, because this is really suitable for action cameras, not DSLR cameras or mirrorless cameras. It's not suitable for that. If you do place it on there, bear in mind that the maximum speed this will can take is 37 miles an hour or 60 kilometers an hour. Now you do get a standard 1/4 inch male screw thread, and also just in view here folks, you do get a silicone washer. You can remove this washer if you need extra screw thread. So I'm just going to give you my thoughts on this before I wrap up this video. If you're looking for a nice base for an action camera or your Insta camera, or even the Pocket 3 or pocket cameras, DJI pocket cameras, you can't go wrong with this. It is suitable to have a ball head on there. It's a pity that you don't get a ball head with this, and you don't get a phone mount. So if you've got a phone mount or ball head, they can go on here. It does double up as just a plain mount as well, so you don't have to have it magnet placed onto anything metal. It can be substituted as a small mount just for your camera. I do like how it comes with these very strong magnets underneath, and I mean they're really strong. Once this goes on metal, you can pry it off, but it takes a lot of force to pry this off. And it can support a payload of 300 grams, which will fit most cameras, action cameras, with a ball head or some attachment mount to it. Now I'm going to quickly go on to some negatives about this. And the first big negative with this is, being that it's such a small mount, it's really suited for action cameras only. That's what it's really suited for. And point and shoot cameras, anything such as mirrorless cameras, if they're over 300 grams, bear in mind the weight of that camera plus the ball head you're going to have to attach it to. I wouldn't bother with this using it on mirrorless cameras. Just wouldn't do it. And especially DSLR cameras, it will not handle the weight of those cameras as well. Another negative with this is, when placed on a vehicle with your action camera, the maximum speed you can go is 37 miles an hour with this attached, or 60 kilometers an hour. Any faster than that and it will most likely come off. Now, even if you do attach this to your vehicle and do the speeds below what I just quoted, please make sure that you have a tether to your camera, just in case, due to any bumps or whatever, road surfaces that you're going on may jar this off. So make sure that you have a tether with your camera when placed on a vehicle. Now, another negative is, even though I said that it's come with loads of these magnets round, it's roughly about 12 magnets right round, one in the middle, so it's 13 earth magnets. The base is prone to dust and grit. So it's a strong magnet, very good base, but just bear it in mind, once you've used this and you've not placed this on something metal, please wipe down the bottom of this, because as it says, it's prone to dust and grit. And the very last negative about this has to be that you don't get any extra attachments. So you don't get a phone mount with this, you don't get a ball head with this whatsoever, you just get the base itself. Now on AliExpress they do have one which comes with a kind of mount, so you can place a camera on there, a kind of ball mount on there, which is similar to a RAM mount or the PGY Tech mount. You do get a similar one from TELESIN if you buy that one, but that one costs double the price for that one. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I perfectly understand my videos can be long, but I like to go into detail on the item or the product, so when you get it, you know what to expect. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the channel. I'll be grateful for that, and I'll see you next time.